What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. First and foremost, whole ready stringers, guys. Only $10. We're almost sold out. You want to get you one? Once they're gone, they are fucking gone. Hey man, who knows? Maybe in 10 years from now, it might be worth something if I get famous. Now, we're gonna go over some pull-ups real quick. I get a lot of questions. Should you go all the way up? You know what I mean? And all the way down? Should you do the mid-range of motion? What the fuck should you do? So we're gonna come over here right now and we're gonna talk about it. So come on through it. Been a while since I've been on my tutorial game, but we have to get back on it because we wanna get you guys whole ready, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I can't speak for everybody else, man, but there's no better feeling than waking up to go take your morning piss and you catch a good piece up in the mirror, abs popping, arms tight, everything looking tight. I wanna give all you guys that gift. There's no better feeling, man. Come on through. All right. Pretty soon, Sock's gonna have that gift. He'll be able to share with you his experiences of being home ready. All right? Make sure you get it from the back, okay?
Okay.
So, pull-ups is one of the best exercises you can do. Especially when you get advanced and start doing weighted pull-ups. You know, where the weight dip around your waist. You know, add weight to it, you know what I mean? You can get this weighted dip belt at pumpstitches.com. You can do it for weighted dips and weighted pull-ups, okay? So, check it out. There's two ways to do the pull-up. I'm gonna show you the first way, right? Grab it, outside shoulder width, right? Come all the way down to where you get a full stretch, arms pretty much locked out, you see that? And then, all the way up. See the back contracted? All the way down, all the way up. All the way down, all the way up. All the way down, all the way up, okay? Really good for the lats, especially the upper lats, all right? Great lat builder. Now, let me show you the constant tension bro bodybuilder style, all right? What you do is, you don't come all the way down. You stop about right here. So stop about right here, right before you lock out, and you just come up. And you don't come all the way up either. You stop about right here where you feel the contraction. So down, contract. Ha, ha, ha. All right? So you have your constant tension way, and you have your full range of motion way. Which one's the best? And to be honest with you guys, I like both. It all comes down to your programming. Now, if you know anything about me, guys, when it comes to a back day, I train back maybe 2 hours. A lot of people do, you know what I mean? Cause I do so many exercises. I do like 4 to 5 vertical movements, you know, wide pull downs. Come over here real quick. You know, I do about 4 to 5 vertical movements. I'm talking about wide pull downs, right? Reverse grip pull downs, close grip pull downs, straight arm pullovers, you know, straight arm pullovers, dumbbell pullovers, dumbbell rows, you know what I mean? So even if I skip pull-ups, like if I don't even do pull-ups, I'm still gonna get a great back workout because I'm doing so much volume, so many different angles. Pretty much down there, all my muscle fibers are gonna be getting hit. You know what I mean? So when you train high volume, you can't go wrong. Now, if you're one of these guys who maybe do 4 exercises for your back, like you only do pull-ups, and then you throw in some T-ball rows and some shit like that, full range of motion, for sure. Because if you're not doing a whole bunch of movements, you wanna make the movements you do count. But if you're a high volume motherfucker, you're doing like 8 to 10 back movements, yeah, you can do the constant tension style. I prefer constant tension style because you can get more reps and you get a better pump. You know what I mean? And there's actually a study out right now. I believe Brad Schoenfield shared it on Instagram. They did a study with tricep extensions. You know, when you come down here, you know, with a dumbbell, and then you come all the way up like that. They did a study to where they had a group. They did the full range of motion, and then they had another group where they did the, you know, coming down halfway up type of motion, the competition style, and the group that did competition style got more gains. Now keep in mind, we need to do more studies. let's test this out with squats. You know what I mean? Let's see if the same thing happens with squats. Let's see if the same thing happens with leg extensions. You know, we need to see more. But regardless of the fact, this goes to show that there is a time and a place for constant tension. And we shouldn't write it off as someone don't know what they're doing or someone's ego lifting. There is a time and a place for constant tension. It all comes down to your programming. So, to wrap this video up, full range of motion pull-ups if you're a low volume guy or beginner. Constant tension pull-ups if you're a high volume guy. My baby is crying, guys. I get the fuck out of here. I'll see you later. No, show the baby real quick before you go. She over here naked.
What are you doing?
Hey, baby. She wasn't crying. She was just giggling. One more thing. Mass for the ass. Mass Gainer Protein is now in stock at TigerFitness.com. If you want these hard gainer motherfuckers who eat up the whole house, still don't seem to gain no weight, throw this in your stack. Have this shake in your meals, train hard as fuck, and watch yourself grow. All right? Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, hop back at your boy.